Hello home stylers, and welcome back you guys. It is so good to be back in front of the camera talking to you guys. I know it's been a while, but I'm so happy to get back into the swing of things. Now, most of you have been liking my Christmas videos that I had reposted just to give you guys some early holiday inspiration, but today is my official start of the 2024 Christmas season, and I can't wait to show you guys what I have come up with. I did make it a point to not have my decor look too much like what I had last year, so I really do hope that you guys enjoy what I have come up with. Today though, I will start off this series by putting up my Christmas tree as well as decorating my fireplace mantle, and I can't wait for you guys to see that. But before I get started, I want you guys to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not, and turn your notification bells on so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I want you guys to be on the lookout for my entryway, living room, and kitchen decorate with me. You guys are not gonna wanna miss that. So make sure those bells are turned on. Without further ado though, I'm gonna jump right into today's video, so let's go. Okay, home stylers, so here are all the ornaments that I have pulled, and in that box is my Christmas tree. And right in front of that window is where I'm going to be placing my Christmas tree. Now, a lot of these ornaments I already owned, but I did add a few new pieces just to add to what I already had. I did not want to use a lot of the shiny or bling ornaments that I had, so I did pick up a few new pieces, and I will definitely let you guys know where I got them from as I go on in this video. But first I'm going to clear the space, and then I'm going to do a little bit of an organization just so that I can see everything a little bit clearer. Once I'm through with that, I'm going to bring my Christmas tree around and start decorating. Okay, home styler, so I have this container filled with ornaments. I do want to use these ornaments right here, the browns and the creams, because that's the color palette that I've chose. If you haven't noticed by now, I'll be using greens and browns and some creams, more of a moody type Christmas I'm going for. So I do want to use these. Also, I have these matte ones that I'm gonna see if I like how they look once I have them on the tree. The only only thing I'm not sure about right now are these. I love the chocolate on these, but the pearls and the starburst, they're giving a little bit more bling that I want to go for this year. But however, maybe one or two of them won't be that bad. So once I start decorating, I'm going to see how these look. These over here, I'm not going to use. They were just in the same containers with these ornaments. So I'm going to let them stay because I'm not going to take them out just because I'm not going to use them, right? So I'm having them stay right there, and I'm going to use what's on this side, or at least most of what's on this side. So I'm going to place it here so I have some space to work with. Right. And then, you guys, I'm going to bring around my tree and start fluffing and getting it prepped for all these beautiful decorations. So stay tuned. Okay, home stylers, so as I said, I'm getting ready to put my tree up, but I quickly wanted to show you that I did go ahead and pick up this rotating Christmas tree stand from Hobby Lobby. I got it for 50% off the original price, which, as you can see here, was $89.99, so half of that. But I'm excited because I've always wanted my Christmas tree to rotate so you can see all the ornaments. So hopefully I have enough ornaments to do a 360 rotation, because this stand rotates 360. Anyways, let's go ahead and put this up.
I'm delayed, 'cause tomorrow keeps on calling, and the red man will not wait. So we better get to move on. Let's bring on the evergreens. Keep the chimney clean, you know what I mean, 'cause tomorrow is the day. I can hear the sleigh bells ringing, how they're headed for our house, and the radio keeps singing what the season's all about. From upstairs we hear the laughter from the ones that waited long for the socks to fill, but they won't until the birth of Christmas Day. I can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hope Santa won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. I love the snow and I love the scarves, the candles lighting the decade malls. But something's missing. I wonder what. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hope Santa won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Santa, won't you forget about it, Santa? I won't forgive you for it, Santa. Won't you forget about it? Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you. Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey.
Okay, home stylers, we're getting ready to start decorating, but at this point in the video, if you're enjoying what you're seeing, I do encourage you to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not, and please turn their notification bells on so that you don't miss any of my upload. I have so much in store for you guys. If you're new here, I just want to mention that I don't do a lot of talking in my videos, but if you do have any specific questions about anything that you see in the video, I encourage you to go ahead and drop me a comment and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. For now though, you guys continue to enjoy the video and I will check back in closer to the end.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. The fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
Christmas tide on high, in the walls of magic light. Christmas tide on high, in the walls of Christmas tide on high, in the walls of magic light. Christmas tide on high, in the walls of
home stylers. So I am at a stopping point right now. I've added all the ornaments that I wanted to add, and I do like how this tree is looking. Again, this is more of a less is more approach that I'm going for this year. So I do hope that you guys like what I'm doing so far. I still have a few more things that I need to do to the tree. I've ordered some ribbons, which I thought would be here by now, but they are not. So stay tuned to see how the tree turned out once I've added those ribbons. Also, I need to add a topper. For now though, let's go decorate this mantle.
I've been keeping my eyes on you all year. You've
Okay, homestylers, we're almost to the end of today's video. Please remember that before you leave, I would love for you to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not, and turn those notification bells on, because still to come is my entryway, living room, and kitchen Christmas decorate with me, and I would love for you guys to show me some love in those videos when they drop. For now, though, I want to thank you all for hanging out with me today. Continue to watch for the reveal, and stay blessed, homestylers, and until next time, later.
Only want to be close to you. No one else here does what you do. Let's start a fire, it's getting cold. Let's make a present for us to show. You and me is a destiny. As we dance, we get chills for free. Just to know that I'm not alone. Let's meet the sun, it's getting cold. I'm all for Christmas, it's a magical time. Full of kisses, let's go outside and tickle a snowman's nose and make angels in the snow. I feel nimbly, did you hear something? From the chimney, a little grin. We will be alright. This holiday will open our mind. I only want to be close to you. No one else here does what you do. Let's start a fire, it's getting cold. Let's make a present for us to show. You and me is destiny. As we dance, we get chills.
Feeling alone, kinda misty. Waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm. Sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve. listening to this song.